What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today I'm going to be teaching you the SOULMATES card trick. Let's get into it. Now generally, I do the SOULMATES card trick for two people, so we're just going to pretend we have two people here. Now I'll just give the cards a quick shuffle, nothing too crazy. And what soulmate cards are the cards that have the same value and are the same color. So for example, the 7 of hearts, its soulmate would be the 7 of diamonds. Now what I want to determine is if these two guys are soulmates. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to have the first person, I'm going to riff through the side of the deck and tell the first person to stop. So right here, okay, we'll take this card, we'll leave it right here, and do the same thing for the second person. Quick cut. Let's say they say stop right about here. We'll take that card, put it there as well. So now, if these two people are soulmates, they should have cards that are also soulmates. If we take a look, here we have the Queen of Diamonds. And if we take a look here, we have the Queen of Hearts. Okay, so now breaking it down, I'm sure for some of you who've been with my channel for a couple weeks or a couple months, probably know how this trick is done. But the reason I want to teach it is because there are many simple techniques that I've taught on my channel that can be put together to create very nice and sometimes even very powerful effects. So for example, this card trick works out very well during like Valentine's Day or with any couples. So now getting right into it, I know those of you who have been with my channel for a little while have probably know how to do this trick because of just the things I've taught on my channel. But the reason I want to actually teach this trick is because I want to show you that there are many things that you can put together to create a very powerful effect that could really resonate with people. And although I've taught the techniques on how to do this trick earlier on in my other videos in this channel, I want to really break down the performance of this trick to give you guys much better reactions when you're implementing those techniques. So now for those of you who don't know how to do this trick, let me just go through it and I'll talk about why I'm doing each thing and how to perform it so you'll get much better reactions. So you're going to start off with two of the cards that you want to force the spectator on top of the deck. And if you're really good, you can pretty much just go through the deck and control these to the top. But if you're not at the pro level yet, even me, I just like to just have these cards on top and do a few false shuffles and cuts. So if you want to learn how to do some false shuffles and cuts, I'll have videos on that in my description so you can check that out. And right, so we have these cards on top. And all we're going to do is perform two forces. So both forces in which the top card is forced. Now if you know other forces where you can force from the bottom, and one from the top, so you want to do one here, you can do that. But the reason I do it this way, where I force both from the same position, is because I want to use the same force every time. Because it would be very strange if I did one force for one person and another force for another person. It just, doesn't really seem legit to the spectators when they're actually watching the trick. So now, as I was talking about before, this works really well with people that are pretty much a couple or together or something. So what I like to do is I explain to them what soulmates are and if they want to test if there are soulmates. So I pretty much, like I was showing, I riffle through the side of the pack. And what I'm doing for this force is I'm grabbing this top packet here, and with these fingers I'm grabbing the top card. So when I'm pulling this packet off, I don't pull straight up like this. I'm pulling up and out. So like this and like this. So really quick, one more time. Riffle, stop here, up a little bit, grab here, and out. So full speed, it looks very convincing. I don't know how convincing it looks on camera, because it catches it a lot more. But I like to engage the spectator in some kind of talk while I'm having them pick a card. So just like that, and they have their card selected. And that's pretty much it. So riffle force here, riffle force there. Do a little bit of a build up or like some kind of tension. Or one thing that I actually like doing is I like to riffle to the side, hand the card to the spectator, and tell them to just hold it close to the body. So I do that with both and have each one reveal their card one at a time very slowly. So this gives a very nice build up, and the reveal at the end just blows them away. And that is it for the SOULMATES card trick. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check out my social media links down in the description below, and I'll see you in the next video. Welcome to the end screen. If you liked the video, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and subscribe, because subscribing is good. Thanks for watching.